A black sandstorm is approaching the metropolis, sucking up sunlight, it moves on top of us. Beaches of black sand are littered with dead fish. Black sand deserts grow blood red cactus. Dust devils twist human bodies in half. Black sands down the hourglass, that's our ass. This ain't the past that we live in, we're not forgiven, it's death.
Hey everybody, my name is Seven, and today we're out making money, doing what we got to do. And basically today I found a load. I found copper piping, aluminum ladder, one of the big tall ladders, water tank yesterday.
How much you make in an hour?
And less than an hour, I have made $38.10. And I'm back out doing it again. And we weren't even out maybe 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds.
Yeah.
And I found a snap-on toolbox. In good shape.
It's Craftsman.
I might have to change the locks, but that ain't nothing hard. It's a Craftsman toolbox, so
On wheels.
on wheels.
Yep.
And we're just basically out doing alleys right now, but we are going to do some dumpster diving. And Sassy teasing my camera lady right now because I'm driving. And I'm gonna have to get back with you when I go for that dumpster diving.
Yep.
Alright?
Alright. See that old house? It's very pretty.
House.
Yeah. Alright.
So basically we had to stop. We had to eat some lunch. I was getting sick, so was Sassy T. So, what you doing, Sassy T?
I'm eating a French fry.
So, we're done with the scrapping part. Now we're going to do dumpster diving, which ain't much. I mean,
How much?
oh yeah, yeah.
60.
I made about 70, I say.
Yeah.
I put $10 in gas. I just bought us 12 something for 2 sandwiches and some fries and her a drink. No. So we're gonna do the dumpster diving part. Then I don't know what else.
And it was fun.
Yeah. But we're sitting at Burger King parking lot right now to eat. So I couldn't eat and drive. It just, I don't know. I just can't eat and drive for some reason. But we're in my old neighborhood that my grandmother lived in
When you were growing up?
when I was growing up. So, basically, I hope everybody's going to enjoy this video. I want 1,000 likes on it. I don't care if you have to keep going back to the video and hitting like. Because you don't understand. This stuff is like hard. We just dumped a load which is our second load for the day. It was a washer, a stove, and a toolbox. And it wasn't light stuff. I'm putting my camera down because there's people around and I don't want them to think I'm recording them. But I'm still at level with you, and I got light. So basically what we're gonna do is the dumpster thing real quick, and then I gotta go to GameStop, sorry.
That's your home away from home.
That's my other home away from home. I might stop at O'Reilly's instead of getting another game.
Well, no, that's
Cause
your
I got two games last night, Far Cry 3 and WWE 12. So I completed my Far Cry collection there. Assassin's Creed, I think I only need one more game out of that collection. And my wrestling's like going back to being a collection again. So I'm gonna let this go. I got a video with this, and I will see you later.